This workshop will guide potential designer engineers for a better selection of materials and understanding of particular degradation mechanism with polymers and plastics, and how these consideration and and mechanism of degradation will be considered for a final field installation and application, concrete application. Yeah, this is a very critical point here. This is event is addressing the design with the design of product and their consideration in regards to sustainability, and this is a point where it's coming more and more critical. In Europe, there is the product design passport, which is getting implemented, and this is regarding to a better knowledge and understanding of sustainability through design. So this is a program that will be active and implemented, is planned to be implemented for 2026. So this is very shortly coming. But this is really intended for engineering department and product development engineers. So we want to make them aware of what's coming, and what consideration should be taken into the design of new products, and experience from buildings and infrastructures will all be will also be a great case study. One common issue is just the greenhouse gas footprint of materials. um, Understanding how the selection of one of or another material have an effect on the product durability and the life cycle of a product. So this is critical. It's even more complex when this product is included inside a project, and this is often the case in the construction industry in buildings. So this is where we want to have this holistic approach in regards to product design and material selection. The point where it's important to look at is um, they will get tools to better calculate. Some tools to calculate and estimate, for instance, the service life of a product, and doing it so considering the involvement of the environment in which it will be implemented, the interactions with other materials, and so there will be methodology presented here, so that it will help to understand and to use data from the laboratory, for instance. I've been for years working on the evaluation of durability in the world of geosynthetics. And why is this? This is because durability for geotechnical projects is requiring the material to reach 100 years durability, which is not often the case in the world of plastics. Leading to this, we got a bit off the track from one simple thing, where the greenhouse gas were and are still often calculated as on the life cycle of the product itself, not the entire project. And this is where the approach will change things up. We want here to have a greater, wider view of what sustainability is, and that is not only for environment. This is also for to some extent. I won't go into details, but to some extent into social and governance issues. So ESG.